welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. My name is Dami, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did my own box braids for the first time ever. I've never ever braided my hair or anyone's hair before. I have tried, but I have failed. But one day I was just like, sis, you know what? I'm gonna braid my hair. So this is my first time ever doing anything like this. I literally watched 2 videos and I was like, okay, I'm ready. It was a good first try and first attempt. This isn't a tutorial, sis. I'm just showing you how I did it. So if you have any questions, maybe leave them down below and someone else can answer them. But I'm just showing you my journey and my process. But like, I'm sure people are gonna watch this and cringe and be like, ooh, nah girl. But I did what works best for me, and as time goes by I'll get better. So if you guys want to watch me fail or like try my best, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hello, it's me. I'm back. And I'm just splitting my hair into 3 parts in this section. As you can see, it is a little difficult to part your own hair because you can't really see properly. So basically all I did was I split my hair into 3 sections, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. You want to take your time with the parting and everything, because the more organized you are, the better your results are gonna be. So here, and I'm starting with my back section, I'm gonna go ahead and part about 1 inch at the bottom, and I'm just doing like 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. Obviously it's not measured, but I'm just guesstimating. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler, or I'm gonna part it, and then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler and I'm just gonna rub that around the perimeter of the part, and then I'm gonna take my elastic band and then I'm gonna wrap that around. I didn't make it too tight because I didn't want to have too much tension on my head already, because the bands do cause tension on your hair, and I wanted to reduce that, so I didn't make it too tight. You definitely want to take your time with this process, because the neater it is, the better your braids are going to come out, and the longer your braids are going to last. So you definitely want to take your time with this. It took me about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to completely part my hair, but like I said, you really do want to take your time with it. I am looking all types of crazy at this point, but I'm done. You guys can see what it looks like, and let's get to it. So the hair we're going to be using today is from the Sassy collection, Jumbo Braid. It's Kanekalon hair. It is in the color 1B, 27 and 30, and I got it from Sally's here in Canada. I don't know if it's sold in the US, but it's here in Canada. And yeah, I'm just gonna go right into braiding, and maybe I'll explain how I braid sometime in the video. This couldn't happen. So I picked my hair pretty big because I wanted it to be not quite jumbo, but not quite medium. So I picked it that thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I wrapped my hair around I wrapped the extension around my natural hair. So there's 2 extension pieces and there's 1 natural hair piece. My natural hair is gonna act as one of the strands of the braid, and I'm just gonna go start braiding from the roots using my natural hair as a piece. And then you guys are gonna see I'm gonna eventually run out of natural hair, and then at that point I borrow hair from the extension pieces and I just finish up the braid. And I'm gonna explain that again so you guys understand what I mean. So here again, you guys can see I'm gonna wrap my natural hair with the extension, and I'm gonna use my natural hair as a strand of the braid, and I'm gonna start braiding from the top. And when I get to the point where my natural hair is almost over or done, then I borrow hair from the extension and I finish up the braid. And that's just how I did the hair. I'm not a professional. I'm sure someone's gonna watch this video and cringe and be like, ooh, woo chow, the ghetto. But I did the best I could, and on my last video I got a whole bunch of compliments, so obviously people liked it. Here you can just see me trying to style it and trying to figure out like what looks best and what works best, and yeah. And then I'm gonna seal the ends of the braids using hot water and a towel. I'm just gonna dip the hair in, dry it off with the towel. If you've ever gotten your hair braided before, then you know like what I'm doing. Make sure you don't, when you dry it, you don't crinkle up the hair, because if not, the hair is gonna get curly at the ends. And then I went ahead and decorated with some beads and some cuffs and some string, and that's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, add me on Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!